Airfun Elijah, Gadget Hunter, back with another video. I know what you're thinking, yo, Earth, what's in that big old box you got right there? Is it a bazooka? I wish. Is it maybe a erotic toy for Alex E. Heath's mom? I wish. Now, my friends, this is the Elgato green screen. I've been dying to get my hands on one of these. This is probably one of the best tools that you can get if you're a YouTube streamer, if you're a Twitch streamer, that will take your stream to the next level. This is an all-in-one portable green screen solution. And when I show you what it does, I think you're really gonna like what you see. But before I show you what this can do, let me show you the current green screen I'm using, and you'll see why this is such an exciting product. Now, if you're looking for a green screen, odds are you've seen something like this. This is a portable green screen. These are really the only things that are feasible if you're doing work in a small room and can't have your green screen painted on a wall or something. These things are a terrible, terrible nightmare. You gotta unzip this thing. Now, it's spring loaded, so you gotta be careful. And it's freaking massive. 7 foot by 5 foot, that's how big this one is. And as soon as you try to open it, it's gonna spring open like a snake trying to get you. Here, you ready for this? Yeah, that's about right. Now, the part that makes this even worse is this thing is huge and it's hard to position in your room. You gotta have something to put behind it so that you can get this behind your chair. And then, of course, every time you wanna get up to make a wee-wee or something, you gotta walk around this thing, and most rooms just aren't big enough to accommodate a green screen that's this large. So it sucks having this out. Now, once your stream is over, you gotta put this thing away. That's where the fun starts. I had to do several YouTube searches just to figure out how to even put this thing back, and here's how you do it. You just fold this thing into a giant taco, and meanwhile it's knocking down everything off all your shelves, and then you gotta like fold it into a circle like this, and then try not to pistol whip your marble bag right here. You gotta just like, you know, massage this thing just like that. Oh yeah, hee. Well, you get the point. And then you put it back in its bag. Okay, well, now that we've seen what a crappy green screen is like, let's go ahead and bust open this Elgato green screen and see what it can do. Ooh, oh my. Wow, so check this out. Nice metal encasing, totally portable, has a handle on top that you can lift up and just take wherever you want to go, which is going to make this thing super easy to store. Okay, before we open this, we got to retract the feet like so, like so. Now let's put this thing down. Oh yeah, nice and stable. We got 2 clasps. 1, 2, pop those open, pop those puppies open. Ready? Oh my goodness, I have a feeling I'm about to fall in love. Never gonna let you go. Gonna hold you in my arms forever. Okay, let's try this again. Open the top. Let's bust it out. Ooh! So you can see it's held in place by this giant spring arm. I cannot believe how easy this is to use. This is exactly what I was hoping it would be. It's a portable green screen that's easy to use, quick to put away, easy to move around, easy to set up. Let's pop into a quick game of Fortnite. Just for a few minutes, I'll show you what this can do when you're inside a game streaming. Now, normally this is my streaming setup. It's not bad. Now, I work out of Cultcast Command Center. It's a studio that I work in. I got equipment everywhere, usually behind me. Looks like crap. I look like I have a 10-year-old's bedroom, but hey, it works. Now, with a green screen, we can just melt all that away and become part of the gameplay itself. Check this out. Then how about we get a little closer to one another, eh? Ooh, yeah. Now we activate the chroma key filter. You know, I love running across products that are even better than advertised. This is the only thing out there that's like this. This is a totally unique product. I am wowed. I'm excited. I'm happy. This is exactly what I was looking for. If you're interested in this product, I'll put a link in the description below. Thanks for tuning in. My name's Airfun Elijah, Gadget Hunter, and we'll see you guys next time. you.